In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to design your paperback. In the previous video, we talked about how you can design your Kindle book cover, and immediately you publish your Kindle, you also make sure you both publish your paperback, because if you are not doing that, at the same time, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. And to publish your paperback, you make sure that your Kindle book is at least up to 24 pages, right? That's when you'll be able to publish your paperback. So let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Olabisi Ashishana. I'm an online entrepreneur and I'm a content creator. On this channel, I share tips, strategies, and opportunities you can leverage on to make money online. If you're just coming to my channel for the first time, I want to say you're welcome. And if you're returning subscribers, I want to say thank you for always engaging with my content. I really, really appreciate that. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the business of today. So firstly, you want to use a site known as bookout.com. There's a spelling here, bookout.com. So once you're here, you come to this interface, and what do you want to do? You want to download this. So click on this. So by now, I'm sure you know that we have different sizes. Amazon Kindle Publishing has different sizes of books. So I'm doing 6 by 9. We've worked with 6 by 9. So 6, put your height 9, then page count. You want to make sure you have the exact page count. So I've done that. Is 24 pages. So I want to type 24 pages. So I want to come down here and input your email address. Put your email address because they're going to inbox it directly to your email. So you still want to come here and confirm the same email address, right? So you want to consent here and click on email. Okay, so once you click on email book cover, it's going to be to this interface here. Just click on maybe next time, then click on continue. But if you have the money, you can decide to support the site, right? So the email, it has been sent to our email. So let's go to our email. So here we are on our email. So this is it. Just click on it. And you want to download any one of it. You just download this. Wow, so we've downloaded this. So let's go back to our Canva. So let's go to upload. I want to drag this here. Okay, so it is downloaded, and we also want to, we downloaded this book cover, so we also want to upload it back on our Canva because that's what we're going to be using for our front, right? So this is it here. Just bring it and drag it back here, right? Okay, good. So now we want to go back to our book cover. We want to go back to our book cover, right? So you want to go back to the same page. We are not done yet, and you want to come down here. You want to scroll down here. You can see KDP cover size calculator. So you want it to calculate the size for us that we're going to use for our paperback. So we can have the front size, we can have the back side, we can have the spine, right? So 6 by 9, 6 by 9, then 24 as our page. Then you click on calculate cover size. You can see has calculated our cover size for us. So full width, full height. So is this width we're going to copy now to go and paste on Canva to calculate our paperback. So let's go back to Canva. So once you're on Canva, come to customize size. Then you want to change this to inches. Make sure you change to inches first. Then this weight, you want to go back to your book cow, and you see this weight here, just want to copy it like this. This is okay. So I know the height is 9.25, so let me copy it. And let me go to my Canva, width, I paste it there, then height 9.25. Although if you're using 6 by 9, your height is always 9.25. It's just the width that varies depending on the pages of the book. So click create new design. So once we're here, you want to go to upload. Now you want to bring this template here. You want to make sure it's centralized, it's properly placed. Drag this down, drag this up, like this. This is not properly placed because you have to make sure that all these 4 edges are showing. This is not properly placed, so we'll delete this and still bring it back here. You have to make sure that all these 4 edges, right, they are showing the way they are. So take this up a bit, take this down. Yeah, right. Okay, you can see that this is properly placed, right? So now you want to pick this your design and bring it to the front here. This is going to stay here. Yes, this is going to stay here. So you want to drag this up to cover this front. You want to drag this down to cover here. Then I want to do something like this. Here, right. This is beautiful, right? So once we've done that, you want to come back to this place. We have to fill up this place too. So you want to click on elements. So you want to click on elements and bring the square here. Yeah, so you can see it actually picked this black color. So I think that I'm fine with that. So you just want to stretch this. Yes. So this is our paperback cover. Now, let's say you want to add about the book at the back. Maybe you've written something about the book. You can just come back to your text here and click in sub-heading here. Sub-heading. So you want to go copy whatever you've written about the book or about the author. So it's just helps your books, to look more professional. That's all. So I'm going to copy this and come here. Adjust this. I'll adjust this up. You can see this. So I'll adjust this up and I can still bring it a bit down so that when I'm uploading, So I can still bring it a bit down. I also increase the font. I can decide to increase the font. Maybe take this up a bit. Yeah, I think this is cool. Then you can change the color to white. I think that's fine. So if you're not okay with with the this, if you're not okay with the front, you can always increase the front. You can always increase the front, but just make sure that it's within these guided lines, right? So that you don't have issue when uploading your book. So that's that about that. So if you got value from this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and also encourage this channel by sharing the video to people that might also need it. Drop your comments in the comment section. I'll be there to answer all your comments, right? So once you're done with this, you want to download this. You want to download this. Anyone with a link. Then you want to come down here and click on download. When downloading this, you want to make sure you come here and click on PDF print. PDF print, especially when you use it for Amazon. So PDF print, then you download. So that's that about this video. Thank you very much and God bless you.